Welcome to Nourishing Verses, a video series where we explore the health benefits of food through poetry. Join us on a poetic voyage as we discover the amazing wonders of cashews. Cashews, oh lovely cashews. A healthy snack that's hard to refuse. A snack so versatile, they can be used in many ways. From salads to stir-fries, and even as a spread to start your day. Did you know cashews come from a fruit? A curious fact that's little known, it's the truth. The nut is encased in a shell on the bottom of the fruit it fills, harvested by hand, a process that requires great skill. These nuts are rich in vitamins and minerals. Protein, fiber, and healthy fats make them a nutritional wonder, boosting heart health, reducing blood pressure. A handful of cashews can improve your overall measure. But that's not all. Oh no, there's more to explore. Cashews can help with weight loss, reducing your waistline score. Their healthy fats and fiber keep you feeling full, an ultimate weight loss slugger. And with their low glycemic index, they help regulate blood sugar. Their versatility extends beyond taste. Cashews can help your skin look its best as we age. Rich in copper, a mineral that aids in collagen production. Eating them regularly can boost your skin's construction. So, grab a handful of cashews and savor their sweet and nutty taste, knowing you're doing your body a favor with every nut you take.